So, what do all these companies have in common? I mean, apart from being worth billions of dollars? Well, they all rely on Linux for their day-to-day operations. From its inception in the 90s to the present day, Linux has come a very long way. Everybody uses Linux. Now, the web itself will be almost impossible without Linux because more websites run on Linux than anything else. Linux is absolutely fantastic. I love it. I've been using it for nearly 10 years now and it has never let me down. In fact, I owe a great deal of my professional development to Linux and the open source movement. In this course, I'm going to show you the fundamentals of administrating production servers using the free version of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So, if you want to be able to find employment as a Linux admin, this course right here is where you should start. Once you've learned the basics, you can then go into more advanced concepts. For example, you can decide to extend your knowledge into areas like network security, ethical hacking, even database management. So, that's my Linux love spiel. My name is Gaba Philip. I hope you're excited to learn, because I'm super excited to teach you.